أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
أفمن يعلم أنما أنزل إليك من ربك الحق كمن هو أعمى إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب.
Is he who knows that what was revealed to you from your Lord is the truth, like him who is blind? Only those who reason will remember.
الذين يوفون بعهد الله ولا ينقضون الميثاق.
Those who fulfill the promise to Allah, and do not violate the agreement.
والذين يصلون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويخشون ربهم ويخافون سوء الحساب.
And those who join what Allah has commanded to be joined, and fear their Lord, and dread the dire reckoning.
والذين صبروا ابتغاء وجه ربهم وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية ويدرؤون بالحسنة السيئة أولئك لهم عقبى الدار.
And those who patiently seek the presence of their Lord, and pray regularly, and spend from our provisions to them, secretly and openly, and repel evil with good. These will have the ultimate home.
جنات عدن يدخلونها ومن صلح من آبائهم وأزواجهم وذرياتهم والملائكة يدخلون عليهم من كل باب.
Everlasting gardens, which they will enter, along with the righteous among their parents, and their spouses, and their descendants. And the angels will enter upon them from every gate.
سلام عليكم بما صبرتم فنعم عقبى الدار.
Peace be upon you, because you endured patiently. How excellent is the final home.
والذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك لهم اللعنة ولهم سوء الدار.
As for those who violate the promise to Allah, after pledging to keep it, and sever what Allah has commanded to be joined, and spread corruption on earth, these, the curse will be upon them, and they will have the worst home.